Did you know that WD-40 can save you significant money on car repairs? Many people use this product only for everyday fixes, but they end up missing its true power. There's an incredible trick on this list that even the most seasoned mechanics don't know about. That's why you need to know this. It could be the difference between keeping your car running smoothly or ending up in the repair shop. In this video, you will learn 17 surprising uses of WD-40 that will completely change the way you care for your car. Stay with us because these tricks can genuinely save you a lot of unnecessary maintenance. Trick number 17. Making even the toughest parts of your car look new. A car's interior tends to accumulate dirt and stains easily, especially on the rubber floor mats that pick up everything from your shoes. But there's a simple solution. Apply a little WD-40, wipe them with a cloth, and they will look like they were just installed. That oily shine from fingerprints, tough stains, or even those mysterious marks on seats and upholstery, a clean cloth with WD-40 will solve the problem right away. And you know that gum stuck to the seat that seems impossible to remove? Spray WD-40, let it sit for a minute, and then gently scrape it off. It peels away easily without causing any damage. Trick number 16. Removing stubborn dirt like bird droppings, tar, and tree sap. This grime doesn't just make your car look bad, it can also damage the paint if not treated quickly. If it's already dry, don't scrub too hard. That will only make it worse. Spray WD-40, wait a few minutes, and then wipe with a microfiber cloth. For stubborn tar or adhesive residue, forget rough blades. Just apply WD-40, wait half a minute, and wipe with a soft cloth or a sponge. Then simply wash with soap and water. Tree sap is also a nightmare. Instead of scraping, soak the area with WD-40. Cover it with paper towels or plastic wrap. After a few minutes, it will soften and lift off with a cloth and a quick wash. Simple and effective. Trick number 15. Preventing the gas cap from freezing in the cold. On very cold days, the tank lid can get stuck, and forcing it can break the mechanism. To prevent this, simply apply WD-40 to the rubber seals around the cap. It creates a protective layer that stops moisture from turning into ice. This ensures the cap keeps working even in extreme cold. As an added benefit, the product also keeps the rubber flexible, preventing it from sticking or drying out over time. Trick number 14. Protection against rust and corrosion. The metal parts of your car are constantly in contact with moisture, which over time can lead to oxidation and serious wear. A spray of WD-40 is enough to create a protective barrier. This is especially true for chrome parts that lose their shine and rust easily. To restore their look, apply the product, let it sit for 10 minutes, gently rub, and rinse. Then reapply a thin coat and finish with a clean cloth. The result? A smooth, shiny, and rust-free finish. Trick number 13. Stopping squeaks and keeping locks working correctly. Few things are as annoying as a squeaky door or a stuck lock. Over time, hinges and latches dry out and start to fail. To prevent this, periodically apply WD-40 to these parts. In fact, the hood latch deserves attention. If it's making noise or is hard to open, use the WD-40 applicator straw to reach tight spots. With just a spray and a few passes, everything works like new again. But be careful. Never apply WD-40 to your brakes. Squealing brakes can signal a real problem, and using lubricant there can compromise safety and lead to brake failure. Trick number 12. Helping in cases of a wet or flooded engine. Water and the engine definitely don't mix. When moisture gets into your car's electrical system, it can cause misfires, difficulty starting, or even make the car stop completely. This is where WD-40 shows another one of its talents. Its name even comes from water displacement. In case of water contact, spray WD-40 on the ignition and distributor components with the engine off. This helps displace accumulated moisture and allows the system to return to normal operation. If the engine is stopped completely due to minor flooding, a careful application can help push out the moisture and facilitate a restart. But remember, WD-40 is not a substitute for engine oil and should not be used as an internal lubricant. It has specific functions, and inside the engine is not one of them. Trick number 11, protecting battery terminals from corrosion. Oxidized or deposited battery terminals can compromise energy flow, reducing charging efficiency and accelerating battery wear. Corrosion often appears in bluish, greenish, or brownish hues, and if untreated, it can leave you stranded when you need it most. To fix this, the ideal is to apply WD-40 to the terminals after removing excess dirt with a wire brush. Then wipe with a clean cloth to remove any residue. But be careful, WD-40 is flammable, so you must always use it in a ventilated area and away from heat sources. Avoid home remedies like baking soda or glue. They might seem effective, but if they get into the battery, they can cause serious damage. If you really want to prolong your battery's life, there are other important precautions. We have a video about this, which can double your battery's usage time. Trick number 10. Temporarily restoring clarity to foggy headlights. Dull headlights severely impair night visibility and can put your safety at risk. If you need a quick fix, WD-40 can help. It contains solvents that remove some of the oxidation and surface dirt from the headlights, bringing back some of the original shine. Start by washing the headlights with soap and water to remove any loose dirt. Then apply WD-40 directly to the lens and use a soft cloth to polish. The result is a visible improvement in clarity, but remember, it is a temporary effect. For a longer lasting and professional result, the ideal is to invest in a headlight polishing or restoration kit. Trick number 9. Cleaning and restoring the vehicle's license plate. Over time, license plates accumulate dirt, rust, and take on an aged look, especially around the edges and screws. But it's easy to give them a makeover. Start by removing the plate. If the screws are stuck or rusted, apply WD-40 to loosen them more easily. Then use paper or a cloth to wipe away any surface rust. Next, prepare a mixture of warm water and detergent and use a towel to wash the plate, removing any light dirt. For harder to reach areas like corners or between numbers, a cotton swab can help you reach and clean without causing damage. Finally, spray a thin coat of WD-40 on the dry plate and wipe it with a clean cloth. This removes stubborn stains and restores the shine, while also helping to protect against further oxidation. Trick number 8. Revitalizing tires. If your car's tires look dull, this trick could make a difference. First, rinse with water to loosen surface dirt. Then, scrub with a brush and soapy water for a deeper clean. Allow the tires to dry completely before applying WD-40. Using a cloth, spread a light layer of the product on the sides of the tires, but be careful, never apply it to the tread where the tire touches the ground, as this can compromise grip. In just a few seconds, the tire will look darker, shinier, and well-maintained. Besides the refreshed appearance, WD-40 helps protect the material against cracking and drying, keeping the tires preserved longer without having to spend money on specific products for this. Trick number 7. Loosening stuck bolts and preventing fastener rust. Rusted or stuck bolts are a real challenge in any car repair. They can become completely blocked, turning a simple service into a headache, whether in the engine, suspension, or under the car. Corrosion makes it difficult to remove fasteners. In this case, apply a generous amount of WD-40 directly to the stuck bolt or screw. Wait at least 10 minutes for the product to penetrate the rust. Then try again with a wrench. Once the rust is loosened, the bolt should turn much more easily. If it's still difficult, apply another round and repeat. In addition to loosening, WD-40 also forms a protective layer that helps prevent the appearance of new rust spots. Trick number 6. Preventing mud from sticking to wheels. If you often drive on dirt roads or trails, you know how much mud can accumulate on your wheels and dirty everything. A simple tip is to apply a light coat of WD-40 to the wheels before heading out on the road. The product creates a protective film that makes it difficult for mud and dirt to adhere. When you return, you will notice there is much less buildup and cleaning will be much easier. Furthermore, this trick protects against rust. This is because when mud dries, it retains moisture, which encourages oxidation. Using WD-40 before exposure helps preserve the metal structure of the wheels and reduces the need for frequent washes. On your next off-road adventure or on rainy days, this extra protection is worth using. Trick number 5. Stopping the noise of windshield wiper blades. There's nothing more irritating than the squeak that wiper blades make on the glass. This noise is usually a sign of accumulated dirt or dry rubber. The solution is simple. Lift the wiper blades and with a clean cloth, apply a little WD-40 along the rubber. This will remove dust, residue, and small impurities. Then use a dry cloth to remove the excess. For an even better finish, end with some isopropyl alcohol. This will remove any trace of oil and restore the smoothness. If the squeaking continues, check if the rubber is cracked or worn. WD-40 helps clean and moisturize the rubber, but if the wiper blades are damaged, they will need replacement. Trick number 4. Lubricating window tracks. If your car windows are stuck or have difficulty opening, it might be due to dirt buildup in the tracks. To fix this, lower the window completely and apply a small amount of WD-40 on the sides where the glass slides. Wait a few minutes for the product to loosen the accumulated dirt and then wipe with a clean cloth to remove residue. Then move the window up and down a few times to distribute the lubricant evenly. Avoid applying directly to the glass as it can leave an oily look. If the problem persists even after cleaning, the defect may be mechanical and requires professional attention. Trick number 3. Removing stickers and decals without damaging the paint. It can be tough to remove those old, peeling stickers without leaving a sticky trace. Instead of scraping and risking scratching the car body, spray WD-40 directly onto the sticker and let it sit for a few minutes. Then start carefully pulling from one end. If it's still sticky, apply a little more and wait a moment longer. Once the sticker is removed, apply WD-40 to a clean cloth and wipe the area to remove any remaining glue, all without damaging the paint. It also works great for parking decals or dealer labels. Trick number 2. Easily removing insects stuck to the car grille. After a trip, it's common to find the front of the car covered in stuck insects, and scrubbing too hard can scratch the paint. To remove them effortlessly, apply WD-40 to the area and wait about 5 minutes. Afterward, use a soft cloth to wipe. The insects will come off easily. Finish with a little soap and water to remove the excess product. Best of all, WD-40 also leaves a protective layer that makes cleaning easier next time. Trick number 1. Removing adhesive tape residue effortlessly. You know that annoying, sticky feeling left behind by adhesive tape? It can be a real nightmare to clean, and worse, trying to scrape it can damage your car's paint. To avoid this, apply WD-40 directly to the residue and wait approximately a minute. It will soften the glue, making it easy to remove effortlessly and without damaging the bodywork. Then simply wipe with a cloth and finish by washing the area with soap and water to remove the excess product. This method also works great for old tape residue, stickers, and even vinyl wrap residue. If these tips helped you take better care of your car with simple and practical tricks, leave a like to strengthen the channel. Comment below on which WD-40 use you liked the most, or if you know a different trick. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, take the opportunity to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Until next time,